Good, so today we are looking at long division. So division basically is where we group items. So the process of long division, we'll start with long division without regrouping. So division without regrouping is very simple. Once we follow our steps as given below, we'll be able to do any division given. So we have DMSB, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And we will keep on repeating these steps until we have no more numbers in the dividend to divide. So let's look at an example here. Let's say we have 369 divided by 3. We have the dividend, which is 369 divided by the divisor, which is 3. Step 1 states to divide, so we've taken 3 and dividing it into each individual digit here in the dividend. So we say 3 could go into 3 one time. Next step is to multiply, so we say 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Next step is to subtract. 3 take away 3 is 0. And the next step is to bring down the next digit, which is 6. So this number now becomes 6. So we divide it again. We say 3 can go into 6 2 times. Next step is to multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Next step is to subtract. 6 take away 6 is 0. Next step is to bring down. Now we have 9. 3 could go into 9 3 times. Next step is to multiply. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Next step is to subtract. 9 take away 9 is 0. We have no more numbers to bring down, so therefore our answer is equal to 123. So that is long division without regrouping. Now let's look at long division with regrouping. Again, we will follow our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So good. Let's look at our next example here. So let's say we have 234 divided by 2. So we have 234 divided by 2. So we say now the first step is to divide. So 2 could go into 2 one time. Next step is to multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Next step is to subtract. 2 take away 2 is 0. Bring down our next digit, which is 3. 2 could go into 3 one time. Next up is to multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Next up is to subtract. 3 take away 2 is 1. From here now is to bring down. Bring down the next digit, which is 4. This number now becomes 14. 2 could go into 14 7 times. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Next up is to subtract. 4 take away 4 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. We have no more numbers to bring down. So therefore our answer is equal to 117. Now we look at a long division with a hidden 0. Again, just a reminder, we divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. It's good. Division with a hidden 0. Let's say we have 218 divided by 2. So we have 218 divided by 2. First step is to divide. 2 could go into 2 one time. Then second step is multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Next step is to subtract. 2 take away 2 is 0. Next step is to bring down 1. So now we have to say 2 could go into 1 0 times. We cannot get a group of 2 from one item. So that will be 0 times. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now we subtract. 1 take away 0 is 1. Next step is to bring down, which is 8. This number becomes 18. 2 could go into 18 9 times. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Next we subtract. 8 take away 8 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. There are no more numbers to bring down, so our answer is 109. And that's it for long division.